Hello, this is Billy Core from home of CarolinaCircleMall.com with the conclusion to Putt-Putt joins the parade. Okay, now we're going to go to the drive-in theater and see if we can find that balloon.
What's wrong, Mrs. Airbag?
Oh, Putt-Putt, Baby Beep is lost inside the movies. Please find him.
What's he look like?
He looks like this.
I'll find your baby, Mrs.
He's
Airbag.
pink?
Thank you
Oh, that's
so
okay.
much, Putt-Putt.
Now playing King Car. I love that movie. Now playing King Car. I love that movie.
Yeah, I love that movie too, Putt-Putt.
When's the movie gonna start?
Okay, now I gotta drive through here and click on the car that looks just like that.
I changed my colors in the paint shop.
Just like in that picture.
Yuck, there's kissing in this movie. Baby Beep, I found you. Thanks, Putt-Putt. I miss my mama. Let's go.
Baby Beep, thanks for helping, Putt-Putt. I'd like you to have this balloon.
Thanks. Hot diggity. Now I have everything I need for the parade.
Well, who do we have here? I think I know you from somewhere.
It's me, Putt-Putt.
Referring, of course, to the new paint job.
You look as handsome as a new hubcap.
Gosh, Smokey, thanks.
Well, Putt-Putt, it looks like you did everything you
Okay,
needed
this
to.
is the conclusion to the
parade is
game.
about to begin.
Come on, everybody. Let's go.
I've always loved that music. Okay, let's click through all the cars and their pets. Fox. Spiders. Would not be a good idea. And there's Putt-Putt and Pep. Okay, I guess this is the end. Yes, I do believe that this is
The end.
Yep. Let's pop these balloons
Oh, you
for no
wanna play
apparent
again?
reason. And this is Billy Core signing off on January 26, 2010. Next up, Batty Bear's
Oh, you
birthday
wanna play again?
surprise.